Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best dash cams for truckers that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the Blackvue DR900S 4K dash cam. Blackvue is arguably the leader in high-end dash cams. Their DR900S is the latest in their long line of top-end dash cams. It features full 4K video, which only a handful of other truck cams on the market offer today. It has a wide 162-degree lens angle, ensuring that you capture any accident or incident in front of your truck both day and night. GPS that is used to log or document your location is built into the DR900S, which can be used with the free Blackvue software. The GPS feature can be disabled if you don't want it active. Second on the list is the THINKWARE U1000 4K dash cam. With its small wedge-shaped design that can be discreetly stuck up between your rear view mirror and out of your field of view, the THINKWARE U1000 can be a good option for truckers. It features a 8MP image sensor which allows you to record in real 4K 3840 by 2160p, giving you a crisp and clear picture even at high speeds. With its 150-degree lens angle, it allows you to record not only the front of your semi, but the peripheral. The U1000 comes with built-in Wi-Fi, which gives you the ability to remotely control the dash camera with your phone or tablet. Next up is the VIOFO A129 Duo Pro 4K Dual Dash Cam. VIOFO has been known for their small wedge-shaped cameras that offer full HD video at a budget price. The A129 Duo is a good choice for truck drivers who want a small discreet dash cam that can be mounted up and behind their rearview mirror out of sight. With the VIOFO app, you can remotely control the dash cam with your phone or tablet via Wi-Fi, which can be convenient in a large semi-truck. Fourth on the list is the Garmin Dash Cam 66W. Garmin has been a leader in GPS-related devices for many years now. Most trucker drivers are surely familiar with their navigation systems. Although the 66W is not a GPS and dashcam combo, it is good standalone dashcam with many features. It does have built-in GPS, however, this is more for watermarking your videos with your coordinates and speed rather than a full-blown navigational system. The Garmin 66W dashcam shoots in 1440p, 30fps, and if you want to increase the frames per second to 60, you can lower it to 1080p. With its wide 180-degree lens angle, it is easily one of the widest of any dashcam out there. Most are around 150 degrees to 160 degrees. Last but not least is the YI Nightscape Dash Cam. Best budget trucker dash cam pick is the YI Nightscape. Although it doesn't shoot at 4K like some other dash cams on our list, it shoots at 1080p at 60 fps. Most other dash cams will shoot at 30 frames per second, but the Nightscape shoots 60 frames per second, meaning it captures more video frames in a second. This can be helpful for capturing license plate numbers when you are driving at high speeds. With its built-in Wi-Fi and the YI app, you can remotely connect to the Nightscape with your phone or app, making it easy to change camera settings from your truck seat. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.